Working at TSMC and want a home that actually fits your lifestyle? This one checks all the boxes. Located in Peoria with quick, easy access to TSMC, you get a shorter commute without sacrificing space, privacy, or views. Built in 2023, this single-level home offers a clean, modern floor plan designed for how you actually live. The open layout connects the kitchen, dining, and living spaces seamlessly, with upgraded lighting and finishes that elevate the feel without overcomplicating it. With 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, there's flexibility for guests, a home office, or both. Step outside to your private backyard with a pool, mountain views, and no neighbors behind. The kind of space you'll actually use after a long day. A 2-car garage with overhead storage adds the everyday practicality that you need. You're in a smaller subdivision with lower HOA fees than neighboring Vistancia, plus access to hiking trails and everything that makes Northwest Valley living so appealing. If you're relocating for TSMC or just a summer setup for work and life, this is a home you do not want to miss. Give us a call to schedule your private showing.